Elections debuted in Goa but quickly succumbed to chaos and instability. Portuguese authorities manipulated results through rigging and booth capturing. Tensions ran high, leading to violence and unrest, like the infamous murder of Joaquim Garces in 1854 at Tivar. Post-revolution of 1820s, two main parties emerged in Goa: Partido Ultramarino, previously called Partuilia. It was a pro-government party and it mainly published on newspaper called O Ultramar. Partido Indiano, on the other hand, opposed government policies and it published mainly in newspaper called A India Portuguesa. Red elections of 1890 in Margao showcased violent clashes between crowds and people over questionable election results, leaving 23 innocent civilians dead. This event spurred widespread protests and was immortalized in a Mano lyrics called Satembarache Ekvisaveri. Elections were suspended due to turmoil and lasted only till 1894. Voting rights were restricted to educated individuals and landlords who met minimum tax requirements. Contribution of some great Goans. Dr. Francisco Luis Gomes emerged as a vocal critic of Portuguese policies and advocated for economic self-reliance and cultural unity for Goa. Father Alvarez, on the other hand, published several newspapers. Through his writings in O Progresso de Goa, A Verdade, and Obrado Indiano, he attacked the oppressive rule of the Portuguese government. Corruption and exploitation of the people were the twin subjects of attack by him. What also caused him concern was the need for generating employment, improving the agricultural sectors with the motive of increasing the income of the people of Goa. Luis de Menezes Braganza, another critical voice, used Udibat and Prakash to raise awareness about India's freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi. Portugal transitioned to a republic on 5th October 1910, offering hopes for Goans. Religious discrimination within Goa subsided. A 1917 charter promised autonomy for Goa, but implementation was halted, sparking outrage. Luis de Menezes Braganza led protests in Margao, securing government council with 11 out of 18 elected members from Goa by 1920. Unfortunately, the council lasted only for 5 years due to the fall of the Portuguese Republic in 1926.